And now, please enjoy this chiropractic adjustment video by Dr. Marquez, our Vineland chiropractor at Back Pain Relief Center.
Tender?
Yeah. Well, that's me getting some because of it.
That stuff's over.
Puffing me out, are you?
Smoothing you out, man. Deep breath. Tight.
Yeah.
Hair's getting long, man.
Yeah, sure is.
That's good. Oh, come on up. So just drop your head in this hand. That's it, huh? No, man. Oh, just drop. You're running out of joints for me to fix.
Oh, no, not at all. There's plenty of joints for you to fix. You know that.
But they're getting worse.
That's it.
Oh, how you like that thing?
Not too bad.
You know, someone got me the Surge, the big one for
Right.
Christmas.
Okay.
And I like it and all, but I wanted it for the heart rate.
Right.
And it doesn't show, I gotta slide to it.
Yeah, right.
It's not right up showing.
That's what I got to do
Kind
too.
of pain in the butt.
It's not too bad, but at least this in here also tracks you going up and down stairs. Where you know, like I had the one that you put on your belt. The one there, the first one I had was the number one. That worked out pretty well. Then I got the next one, the next edition of it, and that didn't work so well.
Right.
And then I lost part of the that when they stole my computer last year.
That's right. Let's go back on your stomach.
Okay.
I forgot about that. You alright to adjust down here?
Yeah, go ahead.
There we go. That's a little better.
That's it. That's the one.
I'm gonna stim and ice you.
Okay.
I'll talk to them up front about the knee thing. It usually takes about a week for them to come in,
Okay.
and then we'll go through all that stuff. Okay.
Yep, sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks, bud.